Welcome to Knowledge Tantra. Today we will see how to use actions in Photoshop. Open Photoshop. To see an action panel, click Windows, Actions. We have default set of actions here and some default actions which comes with Photoshop. But we will see how to create a new action here. To create a new action, first have an image open in Photoshop. We will open a single image in Photoshop. We will open this image, click open. Now we have an image here. Control 0 to fit on screen. Now we will resize this image. But before resizing this image, we should record this action. We should create the new action for that. Just click here on this create new action here, name to the action, click on record. Now the recording of commands are started, means whatever command you use in Photoshop, it is recorded in the action. First we will resize this image. Go on image size. We will change the width of the image to 12 inches. Automatically the height gets changed because of we have enabled this constraint proportion to true. Click OK. Now we have a resized image. Control 0 for fit on screen. Now we will have some brightness and contrast adjusted in this image. Click image, adjustment, brightness and contrast. We will increase some brightness in this image and contrast level. We can see some sharpness coming in. Okay, this much is enough. Click OK. Now to save this file, click File, Save As. On desktop we will create a new folder called primary processed. Click Save here. The quality whatever you want, I will select a medium quality. OK, and then close this image. You can see all the commands whichever you applied to that image are stored in this action. To stop recording, click here, stop recording button. Now your action of resize and contrast is ready to use on an image. To use it in single image, open in single image in Photoshop first. We will open the image from primary folder, another image. We will open this image, click open. To apply the same resizing and brightness contrast to this image, you just want to select the action here. I will select resize contrast action here and just click a place selection button at the bottom of that panel. You can see here, click here. The same settings, the same brightness and contrast, the same size are applied to the other image. You can see the size of the image. I will show you by going this image size. You can see the width is changed to 12. Okay, this is for the single image. But what to do when we have multiple images to process? We can't do it by opening a single image, playing that button again and again. So there is a simple method for that. Click Photoshop, File, Automate, Batch. Select a default default set. Select the action we had created now. Resize contrast. Source is a folder. Select the folder where you had stored the actual photographs. which want to be processed. We had stored it on desktop and primary folder. We will select that folder, click OK. We will select destination as also as a folder. Choose the destination folder where you want to store the processed images. We are storing it into primary processed. Select the primary processed and click OK. And don't touch all these settings, because these are the advanced settings to rename the document file, to change the extension of the files. We will see it in the another videos. Click OK here. Now see, every image is opening in Photoshop. Each and every command is repeating on each and every image. So wait for some time, all of your images will be ready. You don't want to do anything, Photoshop will do it all. Now all the images are processed. We can check all the images in primary processed folder. You can see each and every image is done now. All the images are resized and with brightness and contrast applied to each and every image. Okay. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to Knowledge Centra for more videos.